Did you know your dog's snore might be a secret signal about their health? Those soft vibrations come from relaxed airways, floppy soft palates, or a cozy sleep position, and often they're harmless. But louder, raspier, or suddenly new snores can point to allergies, nasal blockages, obesity, or breathing quirks that deserve a vet's check. Watch for changes, record a clip, and act early to keep your pup comfy and safe. Did this surprise you? Like and subscribe for more daily discoveries, and share this with a friend.